Introducing our officials for this match. First referee, Mr. Lumer Pajarillo, National Referee. Second referee, Mr. Rolly Casillan, National Referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from Our Lady Warriors of the University of San Carlos. Let's start off with jersey number 2, Maria Teresa Aranas. Someone who celebrated her birthday just 2 days ago. Abigail Praca, guest player with jersey number 6. Happy birthday, belated. At number 11, Shona Gesulga. Wearing number 14, Metoshina Bate. At number 15, Suzette Panis. And their team captain with jersey number 18, Nina Irish Cortez. Libero, number 1, Regine Obinke, guest player. Head coach, Mr. Norvi Labuga. Calling on Our Lady Altas from the University of Perpetual Health, System Daltas. Let's start off with jersey number 5, Nori Jane Diaz. At number 8, April Ann Sartin. Wearing jersey number 10, Sandra De Los Santos. At number 15, team captain, Honey Royce Tubino. Guest player with jersey number 16, Joy Gazelle Cases. And at number 18, guest player, Ariane May Argarin. Libero, number 1, Vima Condada. Head coach, Mr. Jason Sapin. Good luck to both teams.
Perpetual Health versus San Carlos game.
University of San Carlos.
Yep. Alam mo, nung Sunday game, nakita ko mga pamilya bumibili ho nitong ating coffee table book. We had quite a crowd in the Ateneo Lasal Dasma game. And this is our 10th year anniversary book. Mosie's picture is here. Before and after
Alam mo,
picture.
perfect souvenir yan. Sa
ano?
totoo, I say perfect kasi nga yung talaga yung through the years makikita mo siya even dun sa pictures
Yep,
alone.
yep.
You will see the progress, the development, at yung mga itsura ng mga players
Na
din natin.
nagbabago through the years.
Metamorphosize, di ba?
Oo.
Yan, si Denise, dati, naglalaro lang yan. Ngayon, nakaupo na dito, kasama na natin, di ba?
Oo.
Denise Tan. Dami yan.
Ito, araw ko ng mga pinagagalitan na Augusto Santa Maria. Itong dalawang to. Two generations.
Ay, sa kanila nga, mabait na yung daya. Lagi ko sinasabi, ba't ang bait na? Hindi pwede.
Nagtampo. Sasabihin na naman ng Augusto sa atin, kayong dalawa!
Ay, Coach August.
Usapan niyo na naman ako. Okay, here we go. It's Perpetual with the first point on the board. Sasabihin ng mga Cebuano dito, ayaw namin pa umuwi.
That's right. April pa lang eh. Saglit.
Dami tayong gagawin dun.
Midway pa lang ng bakasyon eh. We're still here. But as you can see, no, again, we were talking about development. Kahit itong yung ating University of San Carlos, ang bilis din, no? Noong una, parang medyo mabagal yung laro nila. Pero ngayon, lumalaban na sa lakas ng mga palo nila.
Buti. That's good for them. At saka nag-variate na ng plays, ha? Dati open lang, simple quick. Ngayon may mga kombinasyon na rin sila.
And remember that game, ikaw ba kasama ka dun sa NU?
Oh.
Remember how they tried to outsmart NU in that game? And
Inuhulugan nila yung Santiago Sisters,
inuhulugan dahil nga ang lalaki eh. And that's what you want to see. Yung nagkakaroon ng creativity itong mga players.
Kasi nakikita ng coaches, okay, we don't have this kind of play. What if we try this? In the meantime, Tubino served in play. And they're noisy now. They were never noisy before. Here's a stab by Diaz. It's 3-1. Tubino all set to serve. We began to see actually the skills of Honey Royce Tubino starting last year. Here's a middle hit. And boy, they took care of business there.
That was really difficult because De Los Santos is a really good middle blocker.
Yes, he is. Ang ingay na nito mga Cebuana.
Siguro sabi nila, kaya siguro sila magagaling sa Maynila kasi may
May
sila.
ingay sila.
Ingayan na rin natin.
Hindi naman nila naiintindihan sinasabi natin
Correct. Oh, Arenas with that save, but not enough on the third one.
Hirap ng pinanggalingan actually ng bola na yan. 4-2 as Sartin will serve for Perpetual. Just really a noisy bunch of Cebuanos on the other side. Try to get their game going actually, more than anything else. Casas, and it's off the block. Joy takes care of business there.
Yeah, now they will get to know Joy and the way she plays. Again, si Joy, no? Because of her, yung pitik, yung snapping of
Yes,
the wrist.
indeed.
Kaya malakas yung talbog ng bola. So now they have to figure it out kung paano ibablock si Joy.
Details coming up in the next couple of coverages, but you all know that we've announced that we will have an all-star game this year and some very interesting combinations.
Ikaw yan eh. Ikaw talaga yung may idea niyang
Yun
all-star
na.
na yan. Ang tagal-tagal na dating pinaplano.
I think the fans want to see that. At saka mukhang sabi ni Mr. Moying Martelino, ang ating chair rito, i-divide daw tayo. Manager 1, manager 2. Okay. At saka ang ending, magkikita-kita lahat sa Shakey's. For Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Yan ang pwedeng-pwede.
Kaya announce ko na sa San Juan branch o sa Green Hills branch, papunta na po kami. Ubus yun.
Sinigurado.
Lahat ng pizza na ubus. Kasi kasama natin si Roger Correa, ubus yun.
Ayun. Sigurado ka pa.
Panis will serve. 3-6 is the current count. Setup job. Casas recycles.
Oh, Ubinke with that dig.
Yan, nag-improve din niya si Ubinke dito sa tournament. Ha? Nice set. Si Sandra, kung meron na siyang tirang gano'n, ha?
Oh,
Nicely done.
because of that dig. Ito nga USC getting that point.
And Bate taking care of business. Watch this.
Ang hirap gawin yan, ha? Look at this one. Oh, that was the attack. Yung power tip ni De Los Santos,
Yes.
that wasn't easy.
Saka off-angle, wala sa forma. Actually, kung titignan mo, Casas. Talagang dinadaan sa lakas ni Joy. De Los Santos middle. Nice pick up that time by De Libero. Casas pushes it down. It's inside.
Inside, Casas getting that little small space.
Late ang dinaan.
Ang liit.
Skinita.
Exacto. Eskinitang dinaanan.
So Diaz will be serving.
Oh,
A very loud serve.
yep.
Aranas with the set. Thought she'd go to Praca. Miscommunication. Yep. And 8-4 is the count. First technical timeout. And reaching 8 first was Perpetual.